Hi, Assalamualaikum and have a good day everyone. My name is Nur Najwa binti Muhammad Saidi and my metric number is 143346. For this video assignment, I decided to choose topic 4, which is the title is the social behavior of the weakly electric fishes in a family of Mormaridae. Okay, for the slide number 1, why this topic is interesting? I think for me personally, in my opinion, it feels great to know and to learn the unique characteristic of the electric fishes, including their characteristic, their adaptation, and their specialty. Besides that, I think the unique characteristic of the electric fishes is their greatness to be able to survive in the water. And next, I think it's very cool to know and to learn that electric fishes communicate with other electric fishes using their way, using electrolocation. Besides that, they also using the electrolocation to navigate. Other than that, their unique characteristic is weakly electric fishes have a pair electric organs of mild power, which is present in the tail, and it's set up as a continuous electric field around the fish, acting as a sensory screen for the weakly electric fishes. Okay, so we move to the next slide. So as we can see, there are two types of the electric fishes. The first one is weakly electric fishes, and the second one is strongly electric fishes. For the weakly electric fishes, for example, is elephant nose fishes, and the second one for the strongly electric fishes, the example is electric rays and also electric catfishes. So for type weakly electric fishes, they usually generates a discharge that is typically less than 1 volt, and these are too weak for them to stun a prey, and instead they use for navigation to detect object. They detect object using electrolocation, and for communication with other electric fishes, they use electrocommunication to interact with other electric fishes. Besides that, weakly electric fishes can also self-generate electric discharge through electrolyte in their tail. Furthermore, it has the ability to electrolocate by analyzing the perturbation in the electric field. Okay, we move to another slides, which is hypothesis. So in this experiment, the hypothesis is electric fishes use electric signals to communicate and to navigate, and some electric fishes use to stun a prey. And then for the research questions, I chose how do electric fish detect their prey at night or in the dark water. And the second one, I chose why do some fishes, electric fishes, create electric signals. Okay, we move into the next slide. So the next slide is the evidence of the experiment. So this experiment was conducted by the professor called Hopkins, which is the scientist in the Cornell University. The experiment was held in the laboratory. Then second one is in this experiment, electric fish from Africa was used, and the next step is they put the electrodes in the tank along with the electric fish to detect the sound that produced or that made by the electric fish. And the next one is the electric fish is using the navigation system in its body in the electric pulses to produce sound to navigate and communicate with other fishes, other electric fishes with the same species. with the same type. And next one is when they took the electric fishes out of the tank, no sound was detected and no sound was recorded. So I think to conclude that electric fish will emit sound when close to the same electric signals charge, and the electric charge wasn't able to go in the air. So I think that's the evidence of the experiment, in my opinion. Okay, so the next point is why electric fishes don't electrocute themselves. So I've been searching and to find what's the solutions of the question. So I think in the website and in the article there are no specific studies on why all the electric fishes can shock other animals but not themselves, without shocking themselves. So but one possible explanation could be that the severity of an electric shock depends on the amount and duration of the current flowing through any given area of the body. So I think that's the point of the question. Okay, in terms of hunting, the weakly electric fishes sense their environment through electron receptor on their skin, and the electron receptor detect weak electric fields created by the prey. And then the fish brains must filter out this self-generated field in order to locate their prey. After that, electric fish tend to emit a few pulses per second when they are at the rest moment, and then they will end up to about 60 pulses per second when they are hunting.